Hi, Miss Andra May Aguilan. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Andra May Aguilan, 24 years old, from Tagudin, Ilocos Sur, and I'm single mom.
How many kids do you have?
No mom.
Oh, how many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings, mom, and I am the youngest mom.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate, mom.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No mom, but I have a local experience, mom.
For how many years?
1 year, mom.
What are your duties and responsibilities?
Cleaning the house, mom, and taking care of the kids, mom.
How old are the kids?
6 years old, 4 years old, and 2 years old, mom.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, friendly, kind, and trustworthy person, mom.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, mom.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, mom.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want to earn money and help my family, mom.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, mom.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
To give them food, mom, milk, and sing with them, mom.
Okay, so can you sing a nursery song?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Very good. So what is your message to your future employer?
To my employer, please hire me, ma'am, because I am a hardworking person, ma'am, and I promise I will do my best to your family. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.